Based on the preliminary data gathered by the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, exports from Pakistan in January 2023 amounted to 525,461 million rupees. In terms of US dollars, the exports for January 2023 were $2,244 million, while imports into Pakistan during the same period amounted to 1,141,525 million rupees. In terms of US dollars, the imports were $36,093 million at that time. Export during the period July 2022 to January 2023. Main commodities of exports during January 2023 were knitwear, generating 78,859 million rupees, ready-made garments, generating 68,566 million rupees, bedware, generating 49,490 million rupees, cotton cloth, generating 37,225 million rupees, rice, generating 23,630 million rupees, towels, generating 21,338 million rupees, cotton yarn, generating 15,891 million rupees, makeup articles, excluding towels and bedwear, generating 13,203 million rupees, rice basmati, generating 12,754 million rupees, and surgical goods and medical instruments, generating 9,350 million rupees. Imports during the period July 2022 to January 2023. Now we discuss the primary imported goods for January 2023. Petroleum products generate 160,996 million rupees. Palm oil generates 85,283 million rupees. Petroleum crude generates 75,929 million rupees. Natural gas and liquids generate 56,845 million rupees. Iron and steel generate 51,158 million rupees. Plastic materials generate 48,890 million rupees. Raw cotton generates 43,235 million rupees. Wheat unmilled generates 38,709 million rupees. Electric machinery and apparatus generates 34,902 million rupees. And iron and steel scrap generates 26.323 million rupees. Challenges and problems facing Pakistan during export. Now, let's talk about some challenges and issues that come up when Pakistan tries to export its products. These challenges can make it hard for the country to fully tap into its export potential. Here are some of the main problems. Outdated product portfolio. One big issue is that Pakistan mostly exports products that are based on older, less trendy trends. These products often don't have the appeal or competitiveness needed to do well in today's ever-changing global markets. Underutilized manufacturing potential. Pakistan possesses a wealth of manufacturing potential that remains untapped due to the continued focus on outdated product lines. Manufacturers have the capability to produce goods that align with current market demands, but they are not fully leveraging this potential. Lack of innovation and adaptation. Manufacturers in Pakistan need to reorient their production processes and product lines to align with current global trends. The lack of innovation and adaptation hinders their ability to meet the evolving preferences and requirements of international consumers. Training and skill enhancement. A significant portion of manufacturers in Pakistan lack up-to-date knowledge about the latest market trends and consumer demands in foreign countries. This knowledge gap necessitates comprehensive training and skill enhancement programs to ensure that they remain competitive and relevant in the global marketplace. Infrastructure and logistics. Inefficiencies in transportation, inadequate infrastructure, and bureaucratic red tape can lead to delays and increased costs in exporting goods. This includes problems with roads, ports, and customs procedures. Energy shortages. Frequent power outages and energy shortages in Pakistan can disrupt manufacturing and production processes, making it difficult for businesses to meet export demands. Trade barriers and tariffs. High import tariffs and non-tariff barriers in destination countries can hinder Pakistani exports. Trade restrictions and protectionist policies in various markets can make it challenging for Pakistani goods to compete. Quality standards and certification. Meeting international quality standards and obtaining the necessary certifications for exports can be a complex and costly process. Compliance with global standards is essential for accessing many foreign markets. Currency fluctuations. Exchange rate fluctuations can impact the competitiveness of Pakistani products in international markets. A volatile currency can make exports more expensive or less profitable. Political instability. Political instability and security concerns can create an uncertain business environment, which can deter foreign investors and buyers. Access to finance. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, which constitute a significant portion of Pakistan's export sector, often face difficulties in obtaining financing to expand and enhance their export capabilities. Intellectual property protection. Ensuring the protection of intellectual property rights is crucial for industries such as textiles, pharmaceuticals, and software. Inadequate intellectual property protection can discourage innovation and foreign investment. Trade agreements and market access. Pakistan's limited number of free trade agreements, FTAs, and preferential trade agreements, PDAs, with other countries can restrict access to certain markets. Expanding trade agreements and market access is essential to promote exports. Documentation and regulatory compliance. Exporters frequently face the challenge of dealing with rigorous documentation demands and regulatory compliance. Fulfilling these requirements can be both time-consuming and expensive. Access to information and market research. Many Pakistani exporters lack access to comprehensive market information and research that could help them identify promising export opportunities and trends. Lack of diversification. Pakistan's export portfolio is heavily dependent on a handful of major sectors, notably textiles. This reliance can leave the country susceptible to market fluctuations and shifts in demand, which can pose challenges. Global economic conditions. The state of the global economy, including recessions and economic downturns in key export markets, can significantly impact the demand for products originating from Pakistan. Competition. Fierce competition in international markets necessitates that Pakistani product be competitive in terms of price, quality, and innovation. What role does our company play in this? Our company, Loop, takes an active role in addressing and promoting solutions for the challenges affecting export activities. We are dedicated to employing a multifaceted approach, which encompasses infrastructure improvement, trade barrier reduction, streamlining of business operations, and significant investments in quality assurance and comprehensive market research. Our overarching vision is to transform and elevate the Pakistani manufacturing sector to meet global standards. This commitment is not a recent undertaking. We have been wholeheartedly committed to rigorous research and the development of real-time strategies since 2013 to tackle pressing issues within the industry. At this juncture, we take pride in providing effective solutions to the full spectrum of challenges encountered by our export sector. Our ideas to develop export in Pakistan. Diversify product portfolio. Encourage the diversification of export products by exploring new market trends and innovative product lines. This approach can lead to a more dynamic export sector, better poised to adapt to evolving global demands. Invest in R&D and innovation. Invest in research and development to foster innovation and modernization in manufacturing. By embracing new technologies and production methods, Pakistan can boost the quality and appeal of its products. Market research and trend analysis. Implement comprehensive market research and trend analysis to identify promising export opportunities and consumer preferences in foreign markets. This information is essential for aligning product development with the current market dynamics. Training and capacity building. Provide manufacturers with training and capacity building programs to enhance their understanding of global trends and improve their production capabilities. This training should encompass areas such as design, quality control, and compliance with international standards. By taking these steps, Pakistan can overcome the challenge of relying on outdated product trends and work towards establishing a more competitive and innovative export sector that meets the evolving needs of global consumers. Milestones and achievements. Throughout our 15-year journey, we have been fortunate to collaborate with numerous Pakistani manufacturers. These individuals may not have possessed formal education or professional backgrounds, but what they did have was boundless potential. They lacked the expertise to craft truly unique, creative products that could captivate foreign audiences. This is where our training department comes into play. We roll up our sleeves and dive in, not only imparting the technical aspects of creating distinctive items but also nurturing a sense of creativity and innovation. This process doesn't unfold overnight, it requires time and patience. We make substantial investments in honing these newfound skills, committing both time and financial resources to the cause. It's a labor of love. However, when the results finally begin to manifest, it's profoundly rewarding. Leveraging the enhanced skills of these Pakistani manufacturers, we introduce a diverse range of products into foreign markets, spanning from exquisite handicrafts to innovative tech gadgets. And you know what? The response is nothing short of phenomenal. We achieve remarkable sales figures, particularly in the thriving realm of online marketplaces, where people worldwide appreciate the unique, high-quality products that these manufacturers bring to life. It's a journey we take immense pride in, and we eagerly anticipate what the next 15 years will unveil.